So good morning, y'all. Welcome to another C5 grape apron video. We're gonna head out to this garage out here, do a little playing. Got another door lock for the top part. It's the same as the bottom part. So we're gonna hopefully get that changed out now and make them the same. So I'll be back when I get back up there. Hopefully this will work. We'll find out here in a minute. There's the sun is blocking my eyeballs. Alrighty. Guess we're gonna have to put it like this, aren't we? Guess I'll have to go like that. So I'm just going to try these. Go straight up and down. That looks pretty good. That looks pretty good. Pretty smooth. I like that. I'm just gonna leave that other striker in there. I'm not worried about putting this one in because this one's square and that one's round. So I'm just gonna leave that alone. And now we gotta program it. But we can put this on now. It's round. It's round. Which is good. What did I do with those screws? Boy, that thing sucks. You got seals shot. Got an air gap in there. Oh well. Oh well, we'll make it work. All right, that's done. Now, change the master code. I think I went through this last time. Guess it helps to read the instructions there. Fingerprint. It works. Nice. Put the cover on, I guess. Guess we'll see if it works, huh? Better make sure my key works. Yep. Nice. I'll be back in a minute. Let's see if this works, huh? Keypad works. Fingerprint works. Key works. We're good. We are done and done and done. Time to clean up my mess. Alright, so that job is done. Now I got a really secure garage like I've never had since I moved here, actually. And the nice thing about this is it's keyed the same as the upstairs. And the reason that's such a big deal is because I went to Menards to see if they could rekey this lock for me. I got it off Amazon, and first thing he asked me was, is it our brand? I said, no, I think I got it off Amazon. And he says, well, I can't do it then because it's not, I don't know what's inside. And I don't think we'll have the right stuff for it. So I said to myself, self, let's go home and order a key kit. So I went home and I ordered a key kit and I rekeyed it myself. Not hard at all. I spent $30 for a key kit, and it would have cost me $5 to have him do it. But now I can key the whole house if I want to, because I got a kit that'll key a lot of keys. A kit that will key a lot of keys, locks. So we're good there. So this garage is keyed the same. The code's the same for up and top and the bottom. Now I'm going to look into doing the house too with this lock because it has adjustable lengths on it, which is cool. So I think that front door could use it. Right now I just got a key for it, and if I get another lock like this, then I can have the same key on all of it. So I will be back when I have another video. So this job is done and done and done. I got the same lock on both doors, same key, same code, same fingerprint. So I'm gonna go back in the house where it's a little cooler. It is hot today. 84 here in the garage, and it is humid as heck. It's supposed to be in the mid 90s today with a heat index of like 105, 107. So I'm gonna go back inside, watch TV the rest of the day, stay cool, and see you on the next one. As always, stay grape nuts.